In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a CMS page with a link in the header or footer menu of your Prestashop in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through the process step by step, making it easy and straightforward for you to follow along. First, start by navigating to the back office of your Prestashop. Once you're there, steer your cursor to the design section on the main menu. Clicking on it will unveil more options for you to explore. Now click on Pages from the drop-down. This is where you'll create your new CMS page. In the Pages section, look towards the top right where you'll find options to either add a new page category or simply create a new page directly. Choose the one that best fits your needs. Next, you'll need to fill in the CMS page details. This is where you'll input the title, content, and other necessary particulars that you'd like your page to showcase. After you've filled out all the necessary information, go ahead and hit save to store these details securely. Now let's move on to the modules section, which is found on the left hand menu. Click on Module Manager to proceed. Once inside the Module Manager, you'll want to make use of the search bar. Type in Link Widget, which is what we'll be working with next. This widget is pivotal in adding useful links to your menu. After the search results appear, select the module called Link List. Clicking it will reveal the Configure option. Navigate through and click on Configure to start customizing the widget. In the next screen, select New Block, which will let you establish a clickable link on your menu. Now focus on configuring the widget as per your preferences. You will be able to set up the title and determine the specific details for the link you want to add. To ensure proper placement, look for the Hook Into option. For those who want to place the link in the footer, select Display Footer. If you intend for the link to appear in the header, choose either Display Nav 1 or Display Top. Further down the configuration settings, locate the section for content type and choose CMS page. This will allow the link to direct straight to the CMS page you created earlier. Then it's time to select your CMS page from the given list. Once everything is set and done, click Save to finalize the process. Make sure to visit your storefront to confirm the page is visible in your header or footer menu exactly where you've configured it to appear. And that's it, you've successfully added a CMS page with a link in the header or footer menu on your Prestashop. Feel free to revisit any steps if needed, and enjoy the seamless functionality you've just integrated into your store.